Hi, in this video, we're going to be taking the lessons page we just created. We're going to convert it into a template. The, the goal is when we create a new video, we put our video into our new post, and then we have several fields that we fill out and create a new lesson on the fly and continue using this template, which will save us a ton of time. So come up here, we'll collapse, we'll just right click, save as template, and then we'll give this template a name. We'll call this the course page. Select this as a single type template, and then we'll save the template. And now what we can do is go ahead and edit this template here. We have all the same elements here. And in our video element, we're going to replace this with a WordPress post entry. So we'll come over here, and then we'll choose post content here. Then we're going to delete this. You'll see why in a minute, but essentially there's a video underneath this lesson 1 heading. So for now, let's just save this, and we'll go into our WordPress dashboard, and here we'll go into a plugin called SCF, our custom fields plugin. Let's create a new post type here. We'll just go ahead and select add new. This post type, we're just going to call video classes. The singular will be just video class, and save this. Now up in the top here, we can go to the field groups. We'll create our new group here. We'll give this field group a name and give this a label. So this is going to be our head 1 label. Our default value, we'll just call this the same. You'll see how all this works in just a second. Let me just add just a few more fields in here. So this is head 2. This one will be a text area. We'll call this content here. This is going to be our link field. We'll just call this link 1. We'll choose link URL, and we need one additional field group here. Let's just come up here and add field. This one will just be called text. This is going to be our link text label. So we'll call this link text 1. And this one's going to associate itself with the actual link. The default value, let's just leave this as is. We'll save. So here we have all our field names. Just take a quick note of these, and we'll go on to the next step. So here in the sidebar, you can see we've got a new selection called video classes. So we're going to save these changes here and add a video class. And this will just be called our video 1, or our first video in our course. So I've got Presto Player, which is a video plugin. So I'm going to use that. YouTube, just paste in this video here. I have it on my clipboard, and we'll save this. We'll be coming back to this shortly to add our custom fields. So let's go back to the dashboard again, click on SCF, and we'll finish up the field groups. We'll click on edit. And then at the bottom here, these custom fields will show in a post type equal to our video class. We don't want these custom fields to show up anywhere else, just in the course itself. So we'll save changes. And now let's go back to the video class that we just created. We'll do an edit here. And now if you go to the bottom here, you'll see those custom fields here at the very bottom of our post entry. Let's just go ahead and publish this. I'm not going to spend any time filling in those fields right now. Let's go into our Bricks template, and we'll edit this course page template. Now let's populate that video. Remember that video on a custom post type called the video classes. So let's populate this by going up here to the gear icon and then coming down to templates and choosing populate content. And let's select a single post page, and let's search for the video page that we created. This one here inside the video class custom post type. So let's apply the preview and choose OK. And now you can see the outline of that video. So let's have a look at that sketch I did. So we've created the course template. We've created the custom post type for the video course called video classes. We've created some custom fields for each section here, except the video. The video is injected when we create a new post. So it just becomes post content. Then we got the custom fields like I showed you earlier. So now going back to the course template and putting these custom fields into our template. So let's do that. So we've got this heading here. We'll just click on the dynamic data here and come to ACF, which is Advanced Custom Fields, and select these 4 fields here that we created. So we've got head 1 here. Let's just copy this text just to make it quicker here. Here we've got H2. Remember here we've got the content. Then for these links, add a text link here. Let's select dynamic data here and come over here and put in link text here. And then here, we'll put in the actual link. Save this. We'll go back into the post. We'll select the classes here and the video 1 and come down here to our link here. For now, we'll just select this video here just as an example. We'll go back into our templates, view our course page, and you can see we've got our dynamic fields all ready to go.